Want to replace the hose of your high-pressure cleaner? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new hose. Step 1. Remove the old hose. Pull the lock up and take out the hose. Then press the lock on the pressure gun and remove the hose completely. Step 2. Attach the new hose. Insert the hose into the connection of the high-pressure cleaner and press the lock firmly down. Then click the other end into the pressure gun until you hear a click. You've replaced the hose and your high-pressure cleaner is ready to use again.